In the lawsuit, Brian Lekanich says fracking exposed him to radiation and so-called forever chemicals, also known as PFAS. Today, Chevron and EQT tried to get some portions of the lawsuit thrown out, including one area that says fracking is inherently dangerous. Brian Lekanich says he never knew how he might be harmed when he allowed Chevron to build a massive fracking operation on his Washington County farm. His son Ryan was covered with sores after taking a bath. Brian became sick and eventually developed brain tumors and kidney failure.
It's destroyed all my hopes and dreams of my farm, my life with my children. It's been rough. I can't go to a spigot and turn on water and drink it. I have to worry about every time my son takes a shower if he's going to get blisters. We shouldn't have to live that way in today's society.
He says he was forced to bottle his drinking and bathing water in a nearby spring. The lawsuit says Brian's water contained high amounts of PFAS, known as forever chemicals. Chevron and EQT say repeated tests found no evidence that fracking caused those chemicals to get into his water. Outside the courthouse, activists rallied to support the Lekanich family. Inside court, Chevron's lawyer argued that its parent company should not be named in the lawsuit. The attorney for Lekanich disagrees.
It's our view that this is the company and these are the people who are directing these operations that are harming people and that are damaging the environment. So that corporation and those individuals should be held to account.
Chevron and EQT are also trying to block Brian Lekanich from using a statewide grand jury report on fracking as part of their lawsuit. Now, after today's hearing, I tried to talk to an attorney for Chevron and EQT, but she declined to comment. In court, she said today's hearing was not the time or the place to address substantive issues in the lawsuit.